Coming to the end of its design life, the existing timber single-lane Kopaki overbridge was in dire need of replacement. A new dual-lane overbridge was designed, which would straddle the North Island main trunk railway line on State Highway 30. As part of the design, the bridge approaches on State Highway 30 and the entrance to Kopaki Road would also be realigned to allow better visibility for turning traffic. As the new pile bridge is an independent structure, Downer approached Cirtex about creating two MagnumStone bridge abutments that would extend and lift the road to meet the bridge structure without impeding the main trunk railway line during construction. Along with taking the weight of all heavy traffic, including HMPVs, the two 45-metre abutments were designed to simply lift the road to meet the bridge rather than take the load of the bridge itself. CMW Geosciences opted for a MagnumStone wall design with a friction connection. Each 650 kilo block rests upon a layer of strata grid, which then ties into the reinforced zone. With piling complete and the headstock poured, Downer began work with the upper eastern abutment first, then moved to the lower western abutment once that was complete. The MagnumStone blocks were lifted and installed with the use of a light excavator from within the abutments, making construction faster and easier as the reinforced walls extend right to the main bridge piling, rising to meet the edge of the headstock. This also meant workers remained clear of the railway. With blocks locally made and readily available, MagnumStone's adaptability and design features, including the standard 97.6 degree batter along with connection lugs, meant contractors could confidently raise the abutments with precision to meet the bridge structure above. During construction, the old bridge was used to get access over the railway line from one side of the site to the other, but was then removed once the new bridge became open to traffic. Now this new modern bridge design will serve the next generation, giving safer and greater access to the Kopaki region.